A very good afternoon to you. A bit of a soaking out there for many of us today, but skies gradually clearing and turning so much colder as we slide into Christmas Eve. Freezing, frosty and icy as temperatures fall. A bit of a shock to the system after the mild conditions of late. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Far from festive right now. A lot of cloud cover, and across the bulk of Britain we've got solid, substantial rain. Disappointingly dull and damp. Several hours of pouring rain to come. A wintry mix of sleet and snow across the highest ground of the North York Moors and the Pennines. Quite gusty winds here, and the winds really whipping up through the English Channel, particularly through the southwest and the Channel Islands, and staying relatively mild here. Elsewhere, clearer and colder for Scotland and Northern Ireland, the sign of things to come. Temperatures soon fall here tonight and turning frosty with some snow across Scotland. Elsewhere, the rain easing and clearing come the small hours, temperatures falling away. A touch of frost come dawn, but clear, crisp conditions into tomorrow. A very good evening to you. Many of us have had a bit of a soaking today, but skies clearing in the next few hours and then shivering as we slide into Christmas Eve, turning so much colder as temperatures fall, freezing, frosty and icy for many of us. Much of the action across southern Britain in the next few hours. Blustery wet weather gradually moving off the sea, mind you, and as this chunky area of high pressure nudges in from the west. It's looking a little different into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So much colder, a biting brisk wind chill in the next 24 hours, and temperatures so much lower than we've seen this month so far. A return to winter for all of us, with frost as well as some ice. As for the next few hours, a split set up. Much of the action across parts of England and Wales, blustery and wet with the milder air. The rain gradually fading here. Further north, clearer and colder. Fresh falls of snow across northern Scotland for the first half of the night, easing come the small hours, and come the first stages of tomorrow morning, it will be so cold as temperatures fall away, turning frosty, particularly for the Midlands northwards, and it will be a bitterly cold start for many of us, but beautifully bright, clear and crisp. We've got dazzling sunshine and blue skies from the word go, albeit low winter sunshine this time of year, and generally speaking, for many of us, a fine, bright day ahead. But we have got these blustery downpours, particularly around eastern counties, a wintry mix of hail, some sleet and some snow inland. Elsewhere, perfect clear skies, but feeling so cold across the board in that biting, brisk northerly breeze. Keep warm. See you soon.